Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show how to prepare paneer butter masala. Take a pan and add oil into it and then add little ghee. Once oil and ghee is heat, add 15 to 20 cashew nuts into it. Add 2 medium sliced onions and saute it well. Do it in a low flame or medium flame and do not let the onion get roasted. And then add 4 to 5 red chilies that you have soaked in hot water. You have to soak it in hot water and keep it and add it and saute it well. Then add tomatoes, 2 to 3 medium sized tomatoes, and again stir it well. Add little salt so that the tomatoes will be softened and it will get cooked soon. Add a bay leaf for flavor and stir it well. Cook it for 2 minutes until the tomato is smashed and cooked properly. And then keep this mixture aside to get it cool completely. Once the mixture becomes cool, take out the bay leaf and do this into a paste. Put it in mixie and grind it to become a fine paste like this. Okay, now take a pan and add butter into it. Add little chili powder as per your taste and then garam masala and little salt and stir it well. Cook it in medium flame only. Add kasuri methi leaves and mix it. Now add the paste into this. Just add little water also and mix it well. And cook this for 5 to 10 minutes in medium flame. Keep stirring it occasionally or regularly. So you can see a slight color change when you keep mixing it. It will get cooked and slight color will change. And you can add little water if you feel the consistency has become thick, and again you can mix it properly. After cooking for a while, now add fresh cream into this and mix it, and then add freshly cut paneer. Cut it into small pieces and add it and cook it in medium flame for only 2 minutes. And now add condensed milk and mix it well so it gives that rich look and also tastes very good. And then add a butter and stir it properly. Butter gets mixed well. Stir it 2 to 3 times and then off the gas stove and add fresh cream again at the end and stir it. Paneer butter masala is ready. It's a good combination for roti and chapati. Do try it. Thank you.